Hi friends, this is Ramya from Wild Turmeric. In this video, I wanted to share a wonderful vitamin A serum that we can easily make at home. I have always made my own vitamin A and vitamin C serums at home. And lately, I have been making my vitamin A serum with carrot powder and have been loving it. Carrots are a good source of vitamin A and we can use either the fresh carrot extract or the dried powder for making this recipe. If you're going to make the serum with fresh carrot juice, make sure to store it immediately in the fridge, else it'll spoil very fast. A good thing about the serum is you only need 4 ingredients for making it: the carrot extract, aloe vera gel, vitamin A capsules, and vegetable glycerin. I prefer to make the serum with carrot powder as it lasts well at room temperature for 2 to 3 weeks. I also prefer to make my own carrot powder at home, but you can also buy it from the shops too. Regular use of this serum slows down skin aging as it helps reduce wrinkles and fine lines. It also has a soothing effect on our skin. To make the powder, first grate carrots in a grater. If you're not using organic carrots, make sure to wash well and peel the outer skin using a peeler before grating. Grate the carrots depending on the amount of powder you need. Now spread the grated carrot in a plate and sun dry under hot sun for a day or two till crisp like this. Carrots does lose some nutrients while sun drying, but it is a small trade-off for the longer shelf life. Now take the dried carrot while still crisp from sun drying in a dry mixer and powder finely. After grinding it finely, sieve to get a fine powder. To make the serum, take a tablespoon of aloe vera gel that is free of color and perfume in a bowl. Now add an half teaspoon of vegetable glycerin to it. Now add in the contents of 1 vitamin A capsule. Finally, add in a teaspoon of carrot powder. Now mix well with a spoon. To make the serum with fresh carrot juice, extract fresh carrot juice by grinding fresh carrots in a mixer without adding any water and then strain. Now add this juice instead of carrot powder. If you're using carrot juice, make sure to store the serum immediately in the fridge. Now if you have used homemade carrot powder, the serum will be a bit grainy as it is very hard to grind dried carrots to a very fine powder at home. So I would suggest straining the serum through a strainer. To use, apply the serum all over the face and neck. It gets absorbed into the skin instantly. Regular use of the serum will make your skin glow and will greatly prevent wrinkles and fine lines. I hope you found this video useful. If you like to support me in this channel, please share this video with your friends. It'll mean a lot to me. If you like to get detailed information on herbs on days I don't post videos, press the notification button. Thank you for watching this video.